Telly's Talking Chalk, and today I'm just going to show you what I got in the mail today. It wasn't actually what I was assuming it was, but I'm going to show you anyway. When you jump on, please say hello, let me know where you're coming in from, and please share this out and let your friends come and see. I'm just going to grab my laptop, or sorry, not my laptop, I always call them the same thing, my iPad, and I'm just going to share this out myself. When you jump on, let me know where you're coming in from, say hello. Okay, so there we go. I'm just trying to wait for some friends to jump on with me. Hey, who's on with me now? Say hello when you're jumping on. Let me know where you're coming in from. Hey, everybody. So today I got this big guy. I've already opened them. I actually found out what I got. And like I said, it wasn't exactly what I thought I was getting. But I have 2 more packages coming in. So I got 2 of the same ink. I don't know if I accidentally clicked it on twice or if it's going out of the catalog and I decided I needed 2 of them before I got it, or before they ran out. I'm not exactly sure why I got 2, but I did. Next, I got this big guy. Plant Dreams, Pull Weeds, and Grow a Happy Life. I'll show you one by one. It's a big transfer, and it's individual little things. So I haven't opened it, so it is going to be quite glossy. I am Chantel with Chalk Couture, and it's Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm sorry, yes, this is backwards, so that is that one. Here for now. Say hello when you're jumping on. Let me know where you're coming in from. Oh, where are the little guys? Oh, they're at the bottom. So we got a couple more. I got Love Never Fails and Love is Forever. Or no, sorry, Love is Home. A nice little wreath. I got these little guys for spring, summer. And then lastly, oh, he's really small, so he's really at the bottom of this. Oh, sorry guys. I hit the, and then Happy as a Clam. So which ones do you guys like the most? A happy as a clam. These little guys. The love wreath. Or the big guy. Let me know in the comments. Like and follow the business page. You can find me. My VIP is Telly's Talkin' Shop VIP. You can also find me on YouTube at Telly's Talkin' Shop. Trying not to knock everything over, and I'm going to put all these back. I hope everybody's having a good day. So that is all for today. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. And I will see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, so I will be back here at 2 o'clock Eastern. And I will see you then. Bye, guys.